Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Redmi K20 Pro received a new update. It's the stable release of MIUI global version 10.3.5. Here as you can see guys, this is the update log. So under system they have mentioned that they have done some optimization to reduce noise at low volume for earphone and speakers. I did tried it out and I have to say that there was minimalistic noise when the volume was low. I was listening to some songs. So you should be having a very pleasant experience while listening to songs. The next feature is under app lock. Locking Google contacts is available now. Now I don't use this, so I'm not sure what exactly they introduced. They can be locked in the app lock section. The next feature is under lock screen status bar and notification shade. It's basically a fix. The fingerprint icon didn't always appear on the lock screen. Now it will appear. It worked very nicely even before, but good to see that they fixed it because it may be happening to some of the users. And K20 Pro does not even suffer from that bug where the notifications just disappear after appearing for about 1 to 2 seconds. This bug is very annoying and is on Pocophone F1. I hope they fix it. Next is a small fix for game speed booster. Hands-free call duration wasn't displayed correctly in Game Turbo mode. Basically, when you pick up a call with the game speed turbo mode interface, the call duration was not being displayed properly. Now they have fixed it. And lastly, there is an optimization for the MI Cloud service. Improved sync across multiple devices. So it's not a very big update guys, just a minor update, and I'll be showing you benchmark scores as well. Before that, let me just show you how you can update your phone. Go to settings, tap on about phone, then tap on system update. Here it will be asking you to download the update. In my case, I have already installed it, so there is no such option. So this is the OTA method. You can also manually install the update. You just need to download the OTA package and tap on the 3 dots and then tap on choose update package here. But before that, you need to unlock this option, and to unlock this option you need to continuously tap on this 10 icon here. You need to tap for around 7 to 8 times. After that, a message will be shown here that certain options are unlocked, and here as you can see guys, tap on choose update package. Now go to the download folders or any folder where you place the update package. Here's the download folder. If I am downloading on my mobile, it will be in the download folder. It should be shown here. Just select it and the MIUI updater will decrypt it and start to install after restarting the mobile. Let me just show you the benchmark scores. Alright guys, so this is the benchmark score for MIUI V 10.3.3. Here as you can see, 369,244. And this is the AnTuTu score for this version of MIUI, 368,105, well within the margin of error. I got a slightly high GPU score but a slightly lower CPU score. So there should not be any difference in the performance. Next is the Geekbench score. This is for MIUI V 10.3.3. Single core score of 3008, multi-core score of 10,347. This is the Geekbench score of this MIUI version. Single core score of 3,413. That's a good improvement. Multi-core score is also slightly high, 10,677. That's good to see. This is the 3D Mark Slingshot Extreme OpenGL score for MIUI V 10.3.3, 4,587. And for Vulkan it's 3,995. And this is the 3D Mark Slingshot Extreme scores for this version of MIUI. OpenGL score is 4,828. So there is an improvement here. And a slight improvement in the Vulkan score as well, 3,999. So it's good to see that the OpenGL score slightly increased. And the Geekbench scores also improved because it was lagging behind OnePlus 7 a lot. But now it has increased its single core score. And here as you can see guys, they have updated the Android security patch level for the month of July. Now it's not for August. OnePlus 7 has already released the August security patch level but not for K20 Pro. So guys, one thing that I noticed is that when I open the game speed turbo mode, you can see here guys that there are a lot of game recommendations here. Now this was not happening in the previous version of MIUI. So this is something you should know. They are showing so many games. Let me just show you the older interface. Yeah, so this is the older interface guys. Here as you can see, there were no recommendations here. But with the newer interface, so many recommendations have been introduced and I cannot even disable them. Let me just show you the settings. You can see here, there is no option to disable these recommendations. So this is something that you should be knowing. Another thing that I noticed guys, that 4K recording at 30 FPS is very choppy now. The stabilization is not working properly. But with 4K 60 FPS it works very nicely. Now I don't remember that if it was the case for the previous version of MIUI as well. I think I never tested it, but just to let you know, you should be knowing that while recording in 4K 30 FPS stabilization won't work properly. So guys, I'll end this video here. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you did not, you can hit the dislike button. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you're looking forward to such similar content in the near future. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.